20 years of farming experience was the inspiration behind Beju.
A lot of nutrients that are tied up in the soil, okay? So adding organic matter creates an acid, and that acid releases those nutrients, and now the plant can take it up and eat it, basically.
In 2013, Beju was formed. Ben and Julia Miller from North Platte, Nebraska wanted a natural fertilizer that could be planted with the seed that would give nutrients to both the plant and the soil.
You can't really overuse our product. You can't put too much in. It will not burn because the way we process the manure to kill the weed seed and kill the bad pathogens like your E. coli and salmonella, but we also pump out a lot of the nitrogen, so it has a real low nitrogen content, but it won't burn. That's why you're able to put it right in with seed.
Beju Organic Plant Food has been a proud member of Grow Nebraska since 2014. The business strives to provide excellent service to customers through their quality product that is affordable and easy to use.